Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Peer Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely fun Lego building set. So this is designed for basically the older kids, kids 10 and up, and it's going to be a 5-in-1 set. So they can build part of it, come back to it. It has a lot of like long build time, if you will, if you want to take little breaks and things like that. And it is the Lego Mindstorms mini robot set. The model number here is 40413. As I mentioned, it is for ages 10 and up, and it's going to have 366 pieces. Naturally, you're also going to get plenty of spare pieces for all the little ones that may get lost. And you're going to build 5 different robot models. So first off, you're going to get a nice, easy to follow instruction booklet, which is just standard for Lego. Love the fact that their booklets are very, very easy to use. And so let's go over the various robots. So first off, you're going to get kind of like the little kind of dog looking robot with adjustable legs here. Once again, very easy to play with. Then you're going to get more like the rover, where it has this adjustable arm. You can also remove this and turn this into a battle bot, and it has this other adapter here, which at the top you can press these buttons and it's going to send some pieces flying. Then you're going to have just a nice little cute robot here with little antennas that you can kind of move around and play with. The arms adjust. Everything has wheels, so it's very easy to move along a surface. Then you're going to have kind of the mech robot here. This is the military looking one. It has a shield on one side. All the legs and arms move. And it even has a little blaster here on the one side, so you can go ahead and launch this if you wish. Another cool aspect. And then finally, you kind of have like this little workhorse robot, which has a lifting arm, and it comes with a little ball, so it's like moving around. So it's a great little activity for the kiddos. Once again, like I said, if you got multiple kids, each one can build their own robot. If you have a friend, you guys can build a robot together, and it has plenty of stuff to play with. So if you're looking for a great robot science STEM set for the kiddos, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.